You were the spider. You were the spider. Wanted you so much, I felt like a fool. You turned around from me, but I was in love with you. I was in love with you. You didn't want closure, I didn't either, but you spun the web. You were the spider. You were the spider. Why? I wanted you so much, but you didn't want to touch the feelings within me. This ain't meant to be. This ain't meant to be. This ain't meant to be. You were the spider. You were the spider. Why? I wanted you so much, but you didn't want to touch the feelings within me. This ain't meant to be. This ain't meant to be. This ain't meant to be. You were the spider. You were the spider. You were the spider. You were the spider.
The best unsigned and original music in the Northwest. Every Thursday on Round Sound Radio, Northwest Unsigned and Original Top 20 Countdown.
Oh, young man!
Yes, apologies. I've got back to it as well. It's not the Wrath, it is the Wraith. Apologies about that. I just went back to the email there and I read it and I couldn't make out what it was saying to me again. But yeah, it is the Wraith, not the Wrath. Apologies for that, the Wraith. Right, up next, guys, this week's number 11. It is Naomi Campbell with Inner Child. It is up 2 places. It was funny when I was in the Bangers last weekend. They were having a little barbecue and they pulled out a little old video. And there on this video was Naomi Campbell herself giving the lads from Interrobang an interview. And they had a bit of a laugh lounge. It's quite mad to watch. She's good though. She's done a good job, man. Here we go. This week's number 11, Naomi Campbell.
A soft-blowing wind, she moves along by your side, whispering in your ear, why can't we run, where must we hide? A comforting pain, oh how she longs to come alive, and you fight her up, but the more you push, the more it's on your mind. Inner child, little girl, we had a dream locked inside, you wanna scream, inner child. Oh, inner child. The two of us combined used to be so clear. Now I feel a rage inside as I banish all the memories of the black and white. The simple times, the open arms, those three words, don't give up in a child. Little girl, we had a dream locked inside. You wanna scream in a child. She makes me wild, so I leave a little space inside every time. Oh, in a child. And I won't let go, I know. How can I go further on my own? After all, it cuts like a knife. But you need to find a better life. I won't let go, I know. How can I go further on my own? After all, it cuts like a knife. But you need to find a better life in a child. Oh, in a child. In a child. Fly free. Fly free.
Righty, and at this week at number 10 we have Crosslight with Today Was Tomorrow. It is down just the 4 places this week. This band have had a cracking run within our chart. I'm not sure how long it is exactly, but it must be at least 6-7 weeks they've been with us now. Superb. Crosslight, Today Was Tomorrow, this week's number 10.
But in my mind, turn the tables around, figure out you're wasting time. It's like we're caught on fire, the whole world's up in smoke, and then start to choke. You said, brought it on myself.
unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio.
Showcased in the best of the best. Acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m.
Yep, so I've just had John Meadows round. I've just said goodbye to him. Sorry for being a bit all over the place tonight. I'm not used to teaching people stuff, you know what I mean? I'm still teaching myself all this kind of stuff. Yeah, but hopefully John will be taking over the top 20 charts of a Thursday, all being well. Just gets a little bit much for me sometimes, guys. I won't lie to you. You know, my sort of social life and things like that's going down the pan. Turning into a bit of a fat bastard overnight. Getting a little bit concerned about my health overall, because I just seem to be sat behind a desk like literally 7 days a week. So just trying to get myself a little bit of freedom if it's at all possible. Right, anyway, this week, number 9, it is the wonderful Interrobang with the Dreams, taken from their new album. It's down 4 places this week, guys. Absolute tunage. Yeah, don't forget, if you like it, get on our Facebook, give it a listen and give it a share. If you need to see these guys live as well, Scott plays a pretty mean guitar. I believe his girlfriend's just successfully got a job as well today, so he might have to put his guitar down for half an hour. Interrobang, Dreams.
I can't go to sleep. I'm having dreams of things that you wouldn't believe. I'm dreaming about the past and the future. Wars to be had, but we end up losing. A bomb to drop and it sounds like beatboxing. Next thing you know, half the country starts dropping to the ground like we're trying break dancing. Then it realised it was gas that had passed them. And this is when I wake myself up, because if you die in dreams, you never wake up. Like when falling from a great height, I always wake myself up before I see the light. Light. Every day it seems. These dreams. Where's I'm ready for the seams. These dreams. Getting crazy every day it seems. These dreams. I can't sleep, I can't close my eyes. These dreams are making me surprised. You're getting even more messed up and fed up. Enough's enough, getting to sleep's real tough. Started daydreaming about the day Prince William rules. He sacks politicians,